Give me the topic. Number two, pornography is more formal vocabulary in the academic realm, right? So you use pornography, okay? So we are not going to go into whatever you are thinking. I want it to be formal, okay, guys? We are mature adults, yeah? Handle this maturely. Okay, the subject is pornography. Very good. Now, what is the opinion? You have to type it in the full word. This is a class. Okay? Now, what is the opinion on the topic? It is harmful to the society. Very good. Thank you so much, guys. It is harmful to the society. Very good. This is the opinion, right? This is the opinion. Now, so what's the supporting reasons here? Okay? What is the supporting reasons here? What is the supporting reason in main, okay, in body paragraph 1? This is a bit tricky, yeah? because you see the way the article end is structured. You will notice that this is a 2-body paragraph, not 4-body paragraph. Very good. Very good. Very good. You guys, you see, full sentences don't, right? Very good. These are the things that I want, okay? Now, it's okay to type, you know, guys, okay? It's okay. You have to refine your typing skills, guys, okay? You know, because we are in a typing world, yeah? Later on, you all come back, you cannot type already, no. Okay, okay, very good. The first body paragraph 1 is going to argue that pornography is harmful because it depersonalizes and dehumanizes sexuality. Okay? This is body paragraph 1, supporting reason, the main argument. Now, moving on to body paragraph 2. So what will the author do in body paragraph 2? What is the main point? I see all different faces here. Very good. Thank you, guys. You guys are with me. Oh, I'm so touched. Oh, my heart. Yes, okay. Body paragraph 2 will discuss, okay, about why is it harmful? Because it is degrading and oppressive to women, okay? Very good, okay? You see, we handled this topic maturely. You and I are mature people, right? Okay? Now, remember, there are 2 terms. The reason why I give a certain topic or sensitive topic to people to discuss, there is a reason why you understand and respect the term that we use in the college life, okay? In college, you see, you and I, we are professionals. You are my student. We have a professional relationship. Now, in this professional realm, it is an academic learning environment. So we must always remember, we can discuss about certain topics that are sensitive, but you must know what are the words that is appropriate in the college. When you go out with your friends, informal context, you can all use any word that you want. No problem. It's your life. It's your choice. But in here, in school, certain words, for example, okay, explicit graphics are acceptable to be used in the context of the school. So there are terms that you really need to find out if they are formal or informal, right? So next time, okay, remember, spell it out, guys. Okay, spell it out. Okay, because for me, here is gonna be academic. Okay, we want to respect the academic. I'm giving you this exercise not to play with it, but I'm asking you to identify the components of the thesis statement. So first of all, I ask your subject. I ask your topic. What is the topic? So you give me the topic, right? Now, next, moving on. Violent video games should be made illegal, for it might incite some people to commit violent acts. So what is the topic here? What is the topic here? Topic only, yeah? I haven't asked you about opinions. Topic, what's the topic here? Violent video games, okay? Violent video game. Topic, once again, I'm asking for only the topic. So remember, there are three components, okay? There are three components you see, yeah? Topic, opinion, reasons or supporting evidence. Now I want you all to clearly segregate them. So now, here, the topic will be violent video games. Awesome, guys. Look at you guys doing so well. Okay, now, so what is the opinion then?